How to add a banner on Pinterest. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, select Account Management. You can make changes to your personal information or account type from here. Here, tap on Convert to a business account. Tap on Convert Account to confirm. Now, add your profile name over here. Then, tap on Next below. If you don't have a website yet, tap on No Website Yet. Here, select what best describes your business. Then, tap on Next. Lastly, choose if you would be interested in running ads on Pinterest. After that, tap on Next. You have now successfully created a business account on Pinterest. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then, tap on Add Cover Image. Choose a photo from your camera roll and then pan and resize the photo. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully updated your profile cover. Following these steps, you can easily add a banner on Pinterest.